react with the hanger. You know what? And we turned them off before. They must have like.
This is insane. You know what happened? There's a fire alarm reported right before the show was supposed to start. I am officially stunned and kind of laughing at the same time. We have to go to grass now. Go to the grass. We have to go to grass. Funniest video on YouTube ever. People in costumes.
Listen to it this way. No, listen to it this way, alright? All of us in the show was so hot that the fire alarm. The show was so hot that the fire alarm went off.
What would you like to say about getting kicked out right before the show?
Okay, this is the first, and I was just about to do my feet, so I'm like kicked off.
Go keep on memorizing.
Open.
This is so funny. So funny. What would you like to say about the show getting canceled because of the fire alarm? Well, not canceled, postponed.
But it's delayed, and I'd like to say that I have a stomach ache.
Okay. Stage manager, what would you like to say? Okay, cool. What would you like to say, wardrobe co-manager?
She has a stomach ache, too. We all have stomach aches.
Huh? This is insane. What would you like to say about the show? Hopefully last time this ever happens again. The truck is coming.
Take it off.
He's like 5-year-old. I will walk in front of that truck.
Film it.
There's a fire truck coming now. A fire truck. Fire truck. Step back, guys. Step back. Stay away from the street, Lala. I think it's on YouTube. Woo! High five to people! Oh my god. Wait, so what do you guys think set it off?
Hairspray.
The haze bag with the hazers are all water.
My sister's friend.
High five. Oh my god, I just hear that. Yes? That's funny. Hi.
Nothing cool.